Okay, in this demonstration, I will show you how to use your radionic pendulum kit to assist in bringing a healing or balancing a health to someone. In this demonstration, I'm going to use my niece as a target. So I have my copper witness plate, and I'm going to use my radionic image with the affirmation, I am healed. And then the image of my target, which is my niece, on top of that affirmation, I am healed. I'll take my pendulum. I will put my finger on the photo, which is on top of the affirmation, which is on top of the copper witness plate. And as you can see, my pendulum is at a standstill. I am asking my pendulum to charge my niece's body with that cosmic energy that will bring balance in all areas of her body. And as you can see, my pendulum is rotating in a clockwise motion. That is the motion of infusing or injecting or transferring that energy that is the focus of your intent into your target. I am focusing cosmic energy, cosmic healing energy into my niece's body. I am imagining a beam of light coming in from the sun through the top of my head, through my crown chakra, throughout my entire body, and filling me with energy of mighty cosmic energy. And then that same energy is pouring out of my body, out of my third eye, and I'm imagining it entering into my niece's third eye. I maintain that visualization of that bright light coming in from the sun through my crown chakra, filling my body, and now exiting my body through my heart chakra, into my niece's heart chakra. And as I'm imagining that light, that mighty cosmic energy flowing from the sun into me and through out my body into my niece's body, this radionic pendulum is bringing that energy into my niece on a spiritual level. Now I'm asking my pendulum to give me an indication of yes, when my experiment is done, when my treatment is done, when this working is done, when I have aided her as much as I can in this setting, give me a yes. And if you remember, the yes indication is an indication of a up and down movement. And I'm done. So that is how you would do a healing treatment or healing experiment for someone using the radionic pendulum kit. The main thing, or the most important thing that you want to remember when doing these experiments is that your awareness and your intent is paramount. Your awareness being your focus of the target, your ability to visualize that target, to imagine that target. For me, I imagine a target sitting directly in front of me. Then your intent is very important. My intention is to bring harmony to that person, in this case, my niece's body, to bring balance to her health. And I do that by visualizing that light coming in from the sun through my body into her body. And I sit with that visualization, I sit with that intent for as long as I feel intuitively inclined to do so. Or when my pendulum gives me an indication of yes. I hope that is helpful.